Hi everyone, my name is Harun Yaqub. I am mechanical engineer, NFPA water-based system certified engineer. So I am giving you firefighting design course. So the outline of the course are the below. In module 1 we will study the introduction to the fire protection and sprinkler system. In module 2 we will discuss the standards related with firefighting systems NFPA 13, 14, 20. In module 3, we will discuss the component of sprinkler. In module 4, we will discuss design principle and hydraulic calculations. In module 5, we will discuss sprinkler system layout and drafting. In module 6, we will discuss the storage tank firefighting system, storage tank design as per NFPA 1022. In module 7, we will do hydraulic calculation by using PipeNet software. And in module 8 we will do firefighting modeling in Revit. Okay, so our module 1, introduction to firefighting, fire protection and fire sprinkler system. So as you know that fire have a triangle. Fire need heat, fuel and oxygen. If anything we will exclude, then this fire will be finished. So either we have to either we have to take out the heat or minimize the oxygen or fuel content. We can extinguish any fire. So in firefighting sprinkler system, what are we doing? We are taking out heat because we are supplying water and water is taking out heat, so our fire will be extinguished. So what is the importance of fire protection system in building? Because it is life safety and also for property safety, because if there is fire then there is life, it is life threatening and also property protection. So in buildings we have two types of fire protection system. One is active system, one is passive system. Active system which actually directly extinguish the fire. These are the active system. So in active system we have first sprinkler system, which is wet, dry, pre-action and deluge type sprinkler. Here you can see in the picture, this is the sprinkler. You can see in the building ceiling, this is the sprinkler. Inside this sprinkler there is glass bulb. So whenever there is heat at above 60 degrees centigrade, this bulb will be burst and water will be come out from this sprinkler and our firefighting pump will start working. Second is fire extinguisher. These are fire extinguisher which you may have seen in your buildings or somewhere else in commercial buildings. These are mounted on the walls. So our third system is fire alarm system. Fire alarm system, these are smoke detectors. May have you seen in the building ceiling. These are the smoke detector which will detect the smoke and they will give some sort of alarm to the occupants. Okay, our fourth one is fire pump and hose reels. So these are the fire pumps which supply the water to the sprinklers. Our last one is smoke control system, which is part of HVAC system. We need to extract the smoke from the building during the fire, because you know a lot of deaths happen due to smoke inhalation by occupants. So we need to remove the smoke. But this system is part of HVAC. This is part of active fire protection system. Our second one is a passive system. So in passive system, these kind of things we have to do along with architect, because he is the designer. We have to make our our walls, floors and doors fire resistant, fireproofing, coating. We need to do compartmentalization. We need to make separate zones so that every zone, which zone is more dangerous, and as per zone we can extract smoke, and as per zone we can provide fire resistance wall. Our fourth one is fire damper, which are installed in the HVAC ducts. So during the fire, these HVAC ducts can spread the smoke in the building. So that's why we need some fire dampers and smoke dampers also. Both have different functions. So we need these dampers in ducts. So this is also part of passive system, and it is installed in the HVAC system. Last one is structural fireproofing. Sometimes we have a steel beam in our building and also concrete beams. So we need to do fireproofing so that in the case of fire, so our structure will not be damaged. So these are our part of passive system. So because our course is basically consists of fire sprinkler system. So how many types of fire sprinklers system are there? First one is wet system. In all hot areas where temperature is not below 0 degree centigrade, the system is used wet system. In wet system, sprinklers pipes are always filled with water, with pressurized, filled with water. But if our temperature is below the 0 degree centigrade, then there is chance of freezing of water inside the pipe. So that's why in European countries and some very cold areas, we need to install dry system. Dry system, our pipes are empty. Inside there is no water. Inside there is some pressurized gas and nitrogen, so they will not be freeze. So when there is fire, it will be released. Then water will be start moving inside the pipe. So this is the drawing. You can see this is fire sprinkler drawing. It is wet system. So this is the pump room drawing, and these are all piping. These are sprinkler. This is level. This is side. This is fire protection system. FP, fire protection system. Okay, so in our whole course, our focus is regarding with this fire sprinkler systems. Okay. Next one is pre-action system. Pre-action system is specialized kind of system. So it will be installed in sensitive areas like museum, like data centers, like library, so that there will be double interlock. So that if there will be detection of fire via smoke detectors and also activation of sprinkler head. So these both condition needs to be fulfilled. Then there will be water flow will be happen. So actually in the last point we can see that this dual action design prevents accidental water discharge. So accidental water discharge can damage our museum, our library, our books. It can damage. So pre-action system is usually in very sensitive areas. So our last one is deluge fire fighting system. This is specialized kind of active fire protection system designed for high hazard, where rapid fire spread is likely and immediately suppression is critical. So in deluge system, all sprinklers are open. Water is released simultaneously from all sprinklers when system is activated by a fire detection device. So deluge system is usually installed in transformer, near transformer, when transformer get heat up. So this deluge system is installed there. So this is the deluge system schematic. You can see when here sprinklers are open. So this is the electric detectors when they will detect the heat or smoke. In the case of transformer, they will detect heat. So this fire alarm panel activate this deluge valve. So this deluge valve will be open and water will be flow through all sprinklers. Our last one is water mist fire protection system. So water mist actually it create very fine droplets. So very fine droplets, their value you can see this much micron. So they cool the fire by absorbing the heat, and also they will displace the oxygen around the smoke. Also they will reduce the smoke and radiant heat, improving safety and visibility. Unlike conventional sprinkler system, water mesh uses less water but achieve efficient fire suppression system. whatever I discussed, all those systems, the most common type is wet system. Everywhere this is wet system. All those other system are specialized kind of system. They are installed for special case, but usually for all buildings, the system which will be installed, that will be the wet system. Okay, so that's all from this session. So in next session we will discuss about NFPA 13, NFPA 14, NFPA 20, all important clauses. I will not go through whole standard. Only I will go through the important clauses which are very helpful for you for designing the system, so that you can design your system as per NFPA standard. Thank you very much.